In a quiet little town by the sea lived a cat named Luna, wild and free. She danced on rooftops under the moon. Her life was a song, sweet as a tune. Down the street, a dog named Max, with floppy ears and a tail that slaps. He loved to chase the morning light, dreaming of adventures day and night. One fateful day, their worlds aligned. Two curious hearts, a spark combined. Could a cat and a dog be friends so true? The answer shown in sky so blue. Ponds in harmony, together we'll be. A bond so strong like waves on the sea. Through the meadows we'll run, chase the sun. Luna and Max, our story's begun. They faced the world, a team of two, through rain and storms under skies so blue. Luna taught Max the art of grace. Max showed Luna the thrill of the chase. Together they climbed the tallest hill, watched the stars, the world stood still. Their laughter echoed through the night, a friendship born in moonlight. Though different paths they used to tread, now side by side their spirits led. A cat and a dog, who would have known? In each other's hearts a home had grown.